Oinam Sanathoi, a displaced resident, has appealed to state government to look into the court case filed by Kuki community, which asserts that they did not set fire to any homes belonging to Meitei community in Charhazar, Kangpopi district, amid the ongoing conflict. Speaking at a press conference held at Kurkul Mandob Imphal relief camp of Imphal West today, Oinam Sanathoi stated that members of Meitei community fled their village after it was set ablaze by Kuki community on May 3rd of 2023. She further stated that she and her husband, Oinam Toitoiba, had constructed their house on land they personally owned. She added that both their Aadhaar and voter ID cards were registered at the same address at Charhazar and that they possessed all the necessary documents and receipts as proof. She strongly condemned the certain individuals belonging to Kuki community, claiming that no Meitei houses existed in the area and that no homes were set on fire. Oinam Sanathoi further appealed to CSOs, local clubs and Idps to help in exposing the truth.
However, 2023 May date 3 gi nangda aigi yuming go loina cookies na mai thabi grabani adago hojikta na hongna June gi date 17 sida aigi mafam sida aigi yuming go mai thabagi clue leite hadna onda case ma file tawre bako si ai isana yaningdi aigi yuming go loi lehori chesang loina aigi nipang de loi leijari duna moina haije singa yaningdi hadna koi inquiry makha ta tabuyo na koi hai kreba masi aingona thoi ba thodok se ai khakta gi nate aigi loi khra mathungda kanada atopada loi tholok ya ba mong da leiriba Namdi khoi sida yum mai chaga lanjen na dun lai ba khoi se singong singya dai ngak mai yamana singong singya da lehoi ba khoi gi la yumham singdo ukina loina mai thabi grabane mai thagre hadna ma khoi na akhoi gi mahom da lam leite yumham leite haraga de khoi se loi yara dara ba Manipur da lai ba CSO club sangstan Idps sangstan singna meyang changbidna aingonda lai ba case mayam matung dam thorok da ba mateng pangmi ba haijabane.
Meanwhile, Relief Camp Coordinator R.K. Toitoiba expressed disappointment while stating that many people initially felt reassured by the imposition of President's rule, hoping it would lead to a resolution of the ongoing conflict. No significant progress has been made. He also criticized the daily allowance of 80 rupees and the provision of 400 grams of rice per displaced person, calling it inadequate to meet even basic needs. He urged the government to implement more comprehensive measures aimed at improving the welfare and living conditions of those displaced by the conflict.
PR thamaga phagadra bisoi mayam gisu loinamuk thajaba ngaktani adu hojikti jamane hamu tare sarkar leirasu PR leirasu akhoi hojikfo PR leire haiduna yum changba ngamba natti nakna khabalem khong akhoina leijariba mando yum lagi kilometer ani hum chatlaga leibalem khong sibawda akhoi ngasi fawda yum udaba chahi ani hajalabani akhoina kainoma tawraga di adum aranba thidina kana tawraga dum lei aduga chingdana ingam ngamdagi shumamumda sum leiba hamam thokpasing chu tuna pithok pigadra compensation pithok pigadra akhoi gi phangiba daily wages mayam jekari hangat pigadra yamna smooth and a circular and a column, but near the boo, chop manner, PR or a su, sarkar.